I see it happen all the time in this industry. New guys spending £8,000 to £10,000 on a massive custom van build before they have even landed their very first job. They think if the van looks like a spaceship, the work will just magically appear, or that the equipment itself does the cleaning. Look, the plain truth is you do not need a £10,000 rig to start soft washing professionally. To start soft washing professionally, you need a safe chemical application system. That is the fundamental starting point. A reliable, low-pressure 12-volt pump setup or a basic mains-powered system paired with the right surface knowledge will deliver identical, if not better, results than a shiny, overpriced rig operated by someone who does not understand chemistry. I will admit something to you here. In my early days in the trade, I fell for the exact same trap. I went out and bought these expensive high-pressure gadgets and flashy gear, thinking higher pressure was the key to everything. And you know where those gadgets are now? Sitting in the back of my shed, gathering dust. I learned the hard way that high pressure can destroy delicate render and roof tiles, and that soft washing chemistry combined with proper dwell time actually does 90% of the hard work. So what hardware do you actually need in an essential starter setup? It comes down to chemical compatibility. You need chemical-rated EPDM or PVC hoses that will not break down under sodium hypochlorite or biocide application. You need controlled spray nozzles that give you precise fan patterns without creating excessive overspray, and you need chemical-resistant tanks designed for storage. What you must avoid at all costs are those cheap, off-the-shelf brass pressure washer fittings. Standard brass components will corrode and seize up within days when exposed to soft washing chemicals. A well-maintained starter kit using correct materials and accurate dilutions will produce cleaner render, cleaner roof tiles, and happier customers than any overly complex rig run by a splash and dash operator. Now, while starting lean with your application kit is smart, there are a few non-negotiables where you can never cut corners. I'm talking about site protection, health and safety, and professional documentation. Every single job site requires a dedicated chemical spill kit, warning signage to protect the public, tarpaulins or plant protection covers, and clear pre-wetting routines to keep lawns and garden beds safe. Alongside physical site protection, you must have professional RAMs, that is, risk assessment and method statement paperwork. That documentation is what immediately separates a true professional from an amateur splash and dash cleaner. It shows property owners, commercial facilities managers, and insurers that you take chemical handling and site safety seriously. The beauty of starting lean with your equipment is that you keep your overheads low while you build your client base. As your job volume grows and your cash flow increases, you can reinvest those early profits into precision proportioning gear like dosatron injectors, specialized clever wash surfactants, and high volume systems that speed up your application on site. Underpinning all of this is formal education and compliance. Understanding surface identification, chemical safety, COSH responsibilities, and application techniques through our CPD certified soft wash training course prevents catastrophic property damage claims and protects your business reputation from day one. Take a look at your current setup today. Ask yourself if you are focusing on the shiny gadgets or on the core principles of safety, chemistry, and practical systems. If you want to build a credible, highly respected and profitable exterior cleaning business, head over to softwashing.uk and explore the approved softwash applicator pathway. Get the knowledge right, build on solid foundations, and the success will follow. All right, stay safe out there and happy soft washing.